Welcome to my channel Improve Yourself. So today I'll tell you about the modern history or the period of colonization. This modern period began in 18th century and is characterized by industrialization, urbanization, colonization, scientific progress and rationalism and humanism. The time frame of history is somewhat different in different parts of the world. In Europe, the medieval history is said to have begun in 6th century and ends in 15th century AD, while in India, this period starts with 8th century and ends with 18th century. That is, India started witnessing remarkable changes in its political, economic, social, and cultural life from the later part of the 18th century. The modern period extends roughly from the middle of the 18th century to contemporary times. That is, this period covers about 250 years of history of India. The time frame under history also changes with the focus of study. If our focus of study changes, a new set of dates become important. For example, the British historians focused on the rule of each Governor General of India, their activities, policies, and achievements to study the history of India, the activities of Indians, and the condition of our society. So, we needed another format of the study of our history. In the 19th century, many British historians like James Mill, who wrote A History of British India in 1817, were very critical of Indian culture. James Mill was a Scottish economist and political philosopher. He divided the Indian history into these three periods: Hindu, Muslim, and British. His division was based on religions of the rulers. James Mill advocated that all Asian societies were lower level of civilizations than Europe. He said that during the reigns of Hindu and Muslim rulers, the social life in India was dominated by caste taboos, religious intolerance, and superstitious practices. It was the British who could civilize India. He thought that India was not capable of progress without British help. So he suggested that the British should conquer all parts of India to ensure the enlightenment and happiness of the people. But James Mill's division was full of drawbacks because it was based on the religions of the rulers. It was ignored by the scientific historical developments in the society, economy, and culture. This division was also ignored by rich diversity of the subcontinent. In order to get a clear picture of the important changes in history, historians now generally divide the past into three periods. These are ancient period, medieval period, and the modern period. The history of modern period, that is from 1750 AD to India after independence. Modernity reflects material progress and intellectual advancement. It is associated with the growth of all forces of modernity, science, reason, equality, democracy, and liberty. Since under British rule, people of India did not have freedom, equality, and economic prosperity. So this division also have some problems. That is why some historians call this period as colonial period. Thanks for watching my video till end. Bye. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.